Look at the fresh hair.
Fresh haircut. Can you tell?
Look good, feel good, play good?
Yes.
It's playoffs. Let's go.
It's a 1-game elimination. Whoever wins moves on to the championship game.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm 100% positive we're gonna win. Playing the Phantoms, they're an okay team. We lost a couple times this season against them. But I think it all depends on if I bring my A game today.
You better.
I'm gonna focus on positioning. I'm gonna focus on not going too crazy in the net and keeping it very simple. I think that'll help a lot because I tend to go a little too crazy in the net.
Just stick to the basics.
Stick to the basics.
With you and your moon shoes you got going on.
Yeah, they broke too, look.
You're going to the moon.
I was going full send.
Oh man, yeah.
That's your bad.
Something about the smell of a fresh ice cream.
I mean, I'm excited for you, but I'm thinking about food right now.
What do you think the score is going to be today?
5-3.
5-3?
Yeah.
Us or them?
You guys are winning.
5-3?
Yeah, so you guys are gonna win. Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
That's great.
What's up, babe?
I got pulled off 2 weeks later because the guy who built all the cars was right here.
Aww, I'm so proud of
I
you.
never saw a shot. But he, yeah. It had to be so cool when you were younger too.
Attaboy. You got this, babe. Nice. Let's go. Nice, babe. Oh my gosh.
We just scored. It's 1-0. 17 minutes and 50 seconds left in the first period. We just scored. It's 2-1. 2 minutes left in the first period.
There he is, updating you guys. I know, we're like the only fans.
We just scored, it's 3-1. 13 minutes left in the second period.
The current score is 3-1.
We just scored, it's 4-1. 19 minutes and 30 seconds left in the third period.
Nice. Proud girlfriend moment. It's the third period and he's only let in 1 goal. Hopefully these words won't come back to bite me in the tail later. Oh, I'm dead.
You say it to the camera after. We just scored, it's 5-1. 9 minutes left in the third period.
Update, it's 5-1. Oh, that thing is blocking his face.
What?
That square thing's like blocking his face.
We just scored again. It's 6-1. 4 minutes. 4 minutes left in the third period.
Yeah, his hair is always flawless.
Oh my god.
So I was definitely here for moral support, but I can't wait for Chipotle. GG's, babe, GG's.
I only had down but not out. I don't know if I had
Down but not about at, babe?
Good job. It was a good game.
Felt good. I mean, hands felt good. My legs may not have been.
So how did how did you feel it there?
Yeah.
This is the microphone.
Tell the fans. Tell the
You made a lot
fans.
more saves this time, so I was pretty happy that we had some damn good goaltending.
Yeah.
I am so proud of
My
you.
skates
You
felt
did
a lot
great
better. I felt like really good in that.
No, I mean you killed it. You did a great job.
You look really good.
Yeah, everyone played really
It was
good.
actually the whole team played really well. You played amazing, like usual.
Yes.
You have to always come out branded.
Well,
Yeah.
again, the only reason if I don't show up is because I'm out of town on the tour.